Hello everyone. Today, I want to walk you through the technical foundation of a personal portfolio website. This site is built using the core web technologies, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, following modern best practices for responsiveness and user experience. First, let's look at index HTML. This is the structure of the entire web page. Think of it as the skeleton. Here, I've defined all the content. The header contains my navigation, complete with a dynamic burger menu for mobile devices. The main section is where all the core content lives, logically divided into different sections like Hero, About Me, Skills, Portfolio, and Contact. Each section is clearly marked with an ID for easy navigation and styling. I've included meta tags for responsive viewing and character encoding, ensuring the site looks good and loads correctly on any device. Crucially, you'll see links to my style, CSS in the head, and script, JS just before the closing /body tag, which brings us to the next files. Next up is style, CSS. This is the design and aesthetics of the website, essentially the skin and clothing. I've adopted a clean, professional color palette using shades of blue-gray, vibrant turquoise, and subtle yellow for accents. The layout relies heavily on Flexbox for individual component alignment, like the navigation and hero section, and CSS grid for displaying my skills and portfolio projects in a highly responsive and organized manner. Notice how the grid automatically adapts to different screen sizes. I've implemented subtle transitions and hover effects on buttons, links, and portfolio items to enhance the user experience and make the site feel more dynamic and engaging. The CSS also handles the responsive design through at media queries. This ensures that whether you're viewing the site on a large desktop monitor, a tablet, or a mobile phone, the layout fluidly adjusts for optimal readability and usability. This includes transforming the navigation into a sleek mobile burger menu. Finally, we have script, JS, which adds interactivity and dynamic behavior to the site, the brain of the operation. The primary function here is the mobile navigation toggle. When the burger icon is clicked on smaller screens, JavaScript dynamically adds and removes CSS classes to reveal or hide the navigation links and animate the burger icon into an X shape. It also ensures that if a user clicks a navigation link on mobile, the menu automatically closes for a smooth transition to the selected section. A small but useful feature is the dynamic copyright year in the footer, which is automatically updated using JavaScript, so I never have to manually change it. The DOM content loaded event listener ensures that our JavaScript code only runs once the entire HTML document has been loaded, preventing any errors from trying to manipulate non-existent elements. In essence, HTML provides the structure, CSS makes it look good and responsive, and JavaScript adds the interactive polish, creating a seamless and engaging experience for visitors to my portfolio. Hello, welcome to my online portfolio. I'm Arari Singh, a full-stack developer, and this website is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of my skills, projects, and professional journey. Let's start from the top, the hero section. This is the first impression visitors get. It quickly introduces who I am and my primary role: a passionate full-stack developer crafting seamless web experiences. My profile picture gives a personal touch, and the View My Work button serves as a clear call to action, guiding visitors directly to my projects. Scrolling down, we arrive at the About Me section. Here, I share a bit more about my background, my journey into development, and my philosophy towards building software. It emphasizes my passion for problem solving, my commitment to continuous learning, and my focus on delivering robust and user-friendly applications. I've also included a brief personal interest to give a more well-rounded view. Next is the skills section. This section visually represents my technical expertise. Each icon and label highlights a key technology or area I work with, from core web languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to popular frameworks and tools like React, JS Node, JS MongoDB, Python, and Git. It quickly communicates my technical stack to potential employers or collaborators. Now, let's move to the heart of the portfolio, the My Portfolio section. This is where I showcase my practical work. Each card represents a distinct project I've worked on. For each project, you'll find a clear screenshot or visual representation, a concise title, and a brief description outlining what the project is, its key features, and the primary technologies I utilized. Crucially, each project includes view code links, which direct you to the respective GitHub repositories so you can inspect the code yourself. Where applicable, you'll also find live demo links, allowing you to interact with the deployed application directly. You'll see examples like a full-stack e-commerce web store, a real-time chat application, a task management API, an interactive analytics dashboard, and more, demonstrating my versatility across various domains and tech stacks. Finally, we reach the contact section. This is designed to make it easy for anyone to get in touch with me. There's a simple contact form where you can send me a message directly. Below the form, you'll find links to my professional social media profiles, LinkedIn for professional networking, GitHub to see more of my code contributions, Twitter for quick updates, and a direct email link. And at the very bottom, the footer contains essential copyright information, dynamically updated to the current year. This portfolio is a living representation of my skills and passion for development. Thank you for taking the time to explore it.
Please do like, share, and subscribe, and DM me if you need any help with your projects.